We have finally come into spring, and man, are we excited for summer. I live here in Colorado, and personally, I am always wanting to bring my audio with me regardless of where I'm going. Whether I'm at home, or I'm out on the trail, or out by the lake. I want to ensure that I have the best quality audio, because that's what I do for a living. So today, I'm going to be introducing a brand new speaker company called Escape. This manufacturer is delivering an extremely high quality audio experience as well as a very high-end and elegant finish at a very compelling price point. This is going to be a wireless Bluetooth high-res solution for all of my guys out there who really want to get the best audio quality regardless of where they are, whether you're on your deck, inside your home, or out at the lake. This new manufacturer is going to deliver the ultimate experience, and I am proud to announce that Dreamedia is now your go-to nationwide supplier for Escape speakers. I'm going to be introducing in upcoming videos all of the different products within the Escape lineup. I cannot wait to get these set up, do some demos for you guys, and take a close look at all of the products that Escape has to offer. As you can see here, I have the Escape Air, the P6, and the Escape P9 right behind me. So I'm gonna be recording in upcoming episodes detailed unboxings and overviews of these elegant speakers. If you would like to purchase, keep in mind, we are nationwide, and you can now shop with us on our website at shopdreamedia.com. If you would like to speak with a specialist, keep in mind, we do free video consultations where we'll walk through your entire space and we can tailor a package to fit your exact needs and budget, no matter where you are in the country. We have 28 states now covered at this time with top-rated local pros who can help you get it put in if you don't want to DIY it. But one thing I really love about the Escape brand is how user-friendly and easy to use, combined with how elegant the design is and that high-performance audio that we're always trying to achieve here at Dreamedia. Just wanted to give a quick introduction to the brand Escape, letting you know that we do offer them now nationwide. So reach out today and show your support. If you like this video, give me a big thumbs up and make sure to smash that subscribe button down below for more. Till next time, this is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. Thank you for watching.